iPhone X in blush gold is apparently still a possibility according to some sketchy leaks. The LG G7 might bring yet another LCD display, but it's not just any LCD, and the iPhone 8 Plus is being questioned when it comes to water resistance. I'm Jaime Rivera, and let me know if you agree in the comments. This is the coolest t-shirt ever. Thanks, Ripped Apparel. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with deals. If you're in the market for the Google Pixel 2 XL, and I highly suggest you do. Right now it's currently $200 off on the Google Store. Obviously there's a catch. You have to grab the phone on financing, which actually makes even more sense if you're eligible. You can learn more about the deal in the description. Now let's talk about HTC, as the company has just announced its Vive Pro and made it official that pre-orders have begun today. $799, but that buys you a lot. You get 6 months of Vive port. In addition, for those of you wondering why would you buy this one, well, you get 78% more screen resolution. You get hi-fi stereo earphones, in addition to a couple of other improvements. And for those of you that still want to get the old Vive, well, you can get that for $499. Which is not bad at all. For those of you using an iPhone 8 Plus, I would highly suggest you don't dip that thing in water, at least for now. Apple has requested Wistron, its manufacturer of the iPhone 8 Plus, to halt production for 2 weeks. And apparently the reason why is because there are sketchy rumors that there have been counterfeit parts being used for the water resistance. That's not good. So again, just buyers beware. This is a problem with the 8 Plus. Now let's move the spotlight over to LG. We're still waiting to see when we get the new G7. I'm personally waiting for it. But as it turns out, it's underwhelming a lot of people because the rumors are that we're getting another LCD. Bear in mind, LG's attempt at OLEDs hasn't really been great, particularly with that new LG V30s, ThinQ, whatever. I'm getting screen burn-in or whatever you call that thing. So yeah, apparently this LCD won't be any sort of LCD. It's going to be 35% more power efficient than any LCD out there, which is great. We can't wait to see what we get. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the iPhone X, as apparently Apple plans to bring another color option. And these are sketchy rumors. They emerged on Twitter, where we see the SIM tray in the blush gold color option. And if you remember, when rumors began of the iPhone X, we always heard that there were 3 colors. And for some reason, the blush gold just didn't make it. Apparently, Cupertino is still planning to bring the phone. When, we don't know, probably in this event that's going to happen on March 27th. We don't know yet. We'll keep you posted. But in today's question, let us know, do you think that another color option is going to help Apple sell more iPhone Xs? As in my case, not that color, at least for me. But leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, meaning last week's, and our review of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.